Small Boats Living by G. Morrison. A bonny morning we sail at dawn. There is a peace at sea and on the lawn. The sun is peeping o'er the sea. Great, this is a life for me. The birds chirp, the scurries caw, sick a sight you'd ever saw. Nae a soul gone aboot. This is the best time to be out. We start our motor and get on our way. The sun lying for the sea meets the sky. We pass by the scary rock. The scurries flee up into a flock. Gotcha slack, fit we have to do. An area flood's a great help for the sea. South we steam, just off Cruden Bay. Great hopes we have o' making it by. The north corner wreck, a few mile off. I done missing, that's nae lach. We tak ahead o' the dawn it's left. We haul the rope and kyle it aft. The anchor comes up, we tak it an hour, but the rope stops. Oh, fit's a score. A fastener, oh no, this is nae fun. We haul and shove till it pops out of the ground. We haul, and up comes a net, and I'm just scunnered, 'cause they rip it in bits. Up comes some fish, and some partins and all. We'll get a shot yet, and even a jaw. To catch that fish, you've got to be fly. We're nae finished yet, our hopes are still high. So over the side I roar and scream, come awa up, where disna steen. If only the fish would cover the fleer, and homeward bound we would steer. We steam about o'er the sea, searching for fish, well at least we're free. Our day's no deen, we've deen out we can, so to Peterhead Market we gaan to laan. 2 boxes o' codlings is all we get. A ling and a fighting, a monk and a skate. Round maar starn, the scurries flee. They mak a soon, just like music to me. As we got our fish, to the scurries plea. The breakwater ahead, that's fit we see. Through the piers, making our way, the sun gone down, a red glow in the sky. As we land more fish alongside the pier, big boaties come tea and gie us a fear. Lads shouting down, you'll never be poor, you'd better shift or be crushed for sure. Out the breakwater, bottom harbour we steer. It's low water and dark, Sinclair's busk is near. Into our berth, oh we're just done. Our strength is gone down with the sun. We tie up our boat, and somebody shouts down, fit did you get today, Malone? Well, I lifted my head, and get out with a sigh, and I said, poverty, that's my reply. We pump out the boat, and take off our gear, then climb up a trappie, and onto the pier. Now, this is my poem. It's the end of the day, but I'm nae finished yet. I've got something to say. Big boats to Inshore and rip the ground bare. They take all the fish and the feeding they scare. A small boat's living, how long will it last? In a matter of time will be a thing of the past.